Tracfone is a prepaid mobile phone service provider that uses Verizon's network. Tracfone offers a variety of plans and services, including airtime, data, and text messaging. Adding airtime to your Tracfone phone is a quick and easy process that can be done online, over the phone, or in person. To add airtime online, go to the Tracfone website and sign into your account. Click on the Refill or Add button and select the amount of airtime you want to add. Then, enter your payment information and complete the transaction. Call the Tracfone customer service at 1-800-867-7183 to add airtime over the phone. Follow the instructions to add airtime to your phone and enter your payment information to complete the transaction. To add airtime in person, go to a participating retailer, such as Walmart, Target, or Walgreens. Look for the Tracfone display and purchase a Tracfone airtime card. Follow the instructions on the airtime card to add airtime to your phone. Once you have added airtime to your Tracfone phone, you can make calls, send text messages, and browse the internet. Adding airtime to your Tracfone phone is a straightforward process. You can choose the most convenient method for you, whether online, over the phone, or in person. Thanks for watching.